Hi, I'm Nara from Stockhead, and we're here at the Market Insights event in Noosa, Queensland. Here with me is Greg Miles, CEO of Caspin Resources. Thanks for joining us, Greg.
Pleasure to be here, Nara.
I'd like to get started by you giving us a little bit of an overview about your company and why it should be on every investor's watch list.
Well, Caspin is a junior exploration company where I think we've got a couple of key differences in the rest of the market, and that is two really interesting exploration projects in key strategic areas, kind of on the frontiers of mineral exploration in Australia. And I'm referring to our Yarawindah project, just north of Perth. It's on the boundary of Chalice's Julimar project, which everybody's heard about. It's been a great success story over the last few years. But we're also operating out in the West Musgrave province as well at our Mount Squires Project. And that's where BHP is building Australia's next big nickel copper mine. And we're along strike and we're doing some really interesting early stage exploration work. We're getting some really great results. And some of those results are imminent. So I think everybody should be watching our stock because we could be on the cusp of a discovery.
And can you tell me a little bit about yourself and the team at Caspin?
Well, I'm a geologist by background. I kind of fell into geology, to be honest with you. I went to university planning to do other things, took up geology as a filler, and quickly realised that actually this is the thing for me. I've always had a passion for the natural sciences, things you can touch and feel. And so I kind of gravitated towards that. And then eventually, well, I just realised they were my people, and I found my tribe. And even more so once I got into the exploration game. And exploration people are a certain kind of people, incredibly resilient. They take a lot of setbacks, but we enjoy the success. And that sort of principle is coming through in Caspin. We're trying to build a team of highly motivated people that are keen to make a discovery. They're prepared to go through the hard yards to reach that ultimate success. And we've only got a small team, but everybody brings something to the table. And I think we've got a great team, and it's a really great size and skill set for a company like Caspin.
Looking ahead, what can investors expect in the next 6 months?
Well, it's all about our Mount Squires project at the moment. We've just wrapped up an RC drilling campaign, 4,500 metres through June. Results from that are imminent. So we're looking forward to those results that'll come through over the next weeks to months. We tested some really interesting new anomalies, nickel, copper soil anomalies. They're the sort of soil signatures that you'd expect over the Nebo-Babel deposit, which is only 10 kilometres from our tenement boundary. So any one of those could be the next big thing. We also had an interesting gold target that we drilled, and sort of fresh to the market, I guess, is that we've also got an evolving rare earth story as well. This is something that sort of came up in our exploration work. It's been a great bit of geological discovery by our team to even recognise the potential for rare earths in our project. So now 3 different sort of commodity focuses, any one of them could be a winner. So it'll be an exciting few months getting those results in, and then we can follow up again with another program before the end of the year.
That was very insightful. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Pleasure, Nara.